You ready? All right, welcome back to my channel. My name is DJI Air. I'm a fashion and portrait photographer based in Miami, Florida, but I'm also a certified drone pilot. I passed the Part 107. I'm gonna make a separate video talking about the test in a few, but for right now, we're actually gonna test out the drone. So I've flown it a few times, but not where I could just practice. Like our first time, I'll show you some footage. I brought the drone up, it started to rain, we had to leave. But today I have clear skies, as you guys can see. It's birds. All right, so there's birds, but there's nothing else. So we're gonna pull the drone out and actually take some flights. I had to save it. It was about to run into the tree. So this off of sport mode. Put all the safety stuff back on. I can't lose my drone in the first time I get it. You know, there's a thing you can do where you can grab it and flip it. I'm very nervous about doing it. Well, all right, so we're done. That was a lot of fun. I've had a drone before, but it wasn't this drone. My other drone, I think, was the Mavic Air, and that was like 2017 or 2018. This thing, I know I'm using it for work, but I feel like I'm gonna go fly this thing just for fun. Because it's just like, I don't know, I feel like a big kid. I really do. I feel like a really big kid right now because the drone is just super fast. You should hear all the sound effects I was making. But no, this thing is amazing. And I got about, I think almost 40 minutes worth of battery time out of it. And I have 3 batteries. So I know if I needed to do something, I could extend this for a while. I didn't take any photos, but I will do that next time. But today was more about just getting used to the joystick, getting used to the movements, and really getting used to the speed of the drone because, again, my other drone was not this quick. So it was a lot of just trying to get used to it. But I'm really excited to use it. I'm gonna be flying again ASAP because I know in order for me to get good at this, I gotta be using this pretty much every day up until my next project, which will be in a couple weeks. But I'll be ready. I'll be ready. So thank you for being here. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like I always say, I know we're creating for friends, family, our network, and clients. But make sure you're making time to create for yourself. All right. Peace.